Now let's just move on further and talk about some of or a very special type of an event, which is nothing but called as elementary event or events. So what is the meaning of elementary events? So elementary events are those kind of events in which we have the outcomes of the events in the experiment as nothing but one. So an event having only one outcome of the experiment, it is nothing but called as an elementary event. So let us suppose if I'm talking about an example, let us suppose if I'm giving an example. For example, I am talking about tossing a coin. So in tossing a coin, we do know that the possible outcomes are only two, that is either a head or either a tail. So the possibility of getting a head is nothing but one, and moreover the possibility of getting a tail is also one. The possibility of getting a tail is also one. So let us suppose if I'll take it as E or if I'll take it as F event, so this would be an E event. So probability of E should be is equal to 1 by 2, because we know that the number of the outcomes that are favorable to E, that is nothing but 1. Let us suppose if I'm taking this as an E event and if I'm taking this as an F event, so the probability of F should be nothing but is equal to half. And furthermore, we can deduct from this that the probability or the sum of the probabilities of both of these is nothing but is equal to 1 if I'll add up probability of E plus probability of F. But before that, what are the elementary events? The elementary events are those in which the probability, or in which we can say the possibility of the outcome of an event has only one outcome, means an event having only one outcome, as the possibility of getting a head is only one, so it do have only one outcome. So such a type of events are called as the elementary event. So this is an elementary event, getting a head, getting a tail is an elementary event. Now if suppose I am talking about the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events. So if E and F is an elementary event, then their sum is nothing but is equal to 1, means P probability of E plus probability of F is equal to 1. And you can also relate it with the previous example that we have done with the Kritika, who actually took out a ball without looking inside the bag, which you have one red ball, one blue ball and one yellow ball, and we have seen over there that sum of all the probabilities are actually coming out to be 1. And we also know that the events over there do have only one outcome only, and that's why that question or that event in that question, they are also the elementary events, because the outcomes are only one in each and every event, and hence this is all about the elementary event. So always remember, an event have only one outcome is called as an elementary event, and some of the probabilities of all the elementary events particularly related to a particular experiment is nothing but 1. So this is all about the elementary events.